In OneNote, you can easily resize the navigation panes to make them wider or narrower. This is useful if your section and page titles frequently appear truncated, or if you want to maximize your note-taking space. When you open the OneNote application, the navigation pane will appear by default. However, if you want to hide this and give more space to your notes, you can click on one of the icons in the column on the far left. For example, if I click, it will hide the navigation. And I can click again if I want to see the navigation panes again. And you can click on any of the icons, which will have the same effect. So if I click on the recent pages icon, that's hidden the navigation panes. I'm just going to click again to show navigation. Another way that you can customize your notebook's appearance is by changing the width of the navigation panes for sections and for your pages. So for example, to do this, you need to move your cursor to the border of the pane you want to move. Then hold your click and drag your cursor left or right, depending on how much room you want to give to each pane. So I'm going to drag my cursor to the right and lift my click. I can do the same for the sections pane by clicking on my click and dragging my cursor towards the right. However, if you don't want to fully hide your navigation panes but just reduce the size to give more room to your notes, you can click and drag as far as you can towards the left, but still have access to your pages and sections. You also have the option in OneNote of activating the full screen mode. This will give you maximum space for your note taking. To do this, go to the right side of the ribbon and click on the Enter Full Screen Mode button that looks like a double-headed diagonal arrow. When you click, the full screen mode will be activated, so you'll see your page below in the full screen mode, and you won't see the navigation panes at all. However, you can see the name of the notebook top left. You also have access to the ribbon of different tools of the Draw tab. So you have the different selection tools, the pen tools to be able to draw, the shapes tool if you want to draw shapes, the maths tool for your equations, and also you can still access your notifications, the undo and redo button, and the share button. If you want to see the Windows tools, hover your mouse at the very top of the window. So on the right, you'll still be able to maximize the window, come out of the full screen mode, or close the window. I'm just going to move my cursor away. To come out of the full screen mode, click on the button on the right to exit the full screen drawing mode. In this video, you've seen how to customize your notebook's appearance with OneNote for Windows 10.